Ang ganda.
Okay.
Ang ganda, Han. Where's my phone? I wanna take it. E-driving in Manila.
I'm in Rojas Boulevard, driving around Metro Manila. Colorful McDonald's I've ever seen. Look at this. This is in Lucban, Quezon, Philippines. Galingan mo son ha.
Dahil dati, nanoon niya yung ano ni Paulo.
Ano yun? 350cc yun. Mataas yun.
Mababa lang yan, 49 lang yan kuya eh. 49 lang yan. Iniwan mo lang yan dito, Day. Oh, doon sa bahay. Oh, para may service ako pagka nandito. Kasi kami maglalabas sa dito. Yan na.
Please, ano mo mga tisba?
Preno. Kasi gasolina to yun.
Parang ano, hindi soft landing yun ah.
Doon pa lang. Ayun yung swimming pool, oh. Swimming tayo mamayang gabi.
Oo.
Pwede
Ba?
mo mag-short, naka-short lang mag-swimming?
Ito yung room na reserve.
Ah, okay.
Wala kang dala? Yung pan-gym mo, ay yung pan-takbo.
Oo. Yung shorts mo
Oh,
ngayon.
nice.
Vivian. So this is the room.
Galing.
Okay. Then, we go mas sa taas.
Okay. Okay, dito raw yung pag mag-upgrade. So, sa second floor. Which is $100.
Han, maano ka, madulas ka ba siya?
Okay. Oh, ganda naman ang view. Oh. Ah, mas malaki.
Pero,
Okay.
meron pang sama-sama doon. So, tingnan mo. Yes. Tingnan mo.
Ganda, ang ganda son. Gusto ko yung view. Ganda ng view, grabe.
Oo nga eh. Tapos,
Ay, puro payong ah.
you should see the room. Yung room sa baba. Yung kung saan tayo. And then, if you wanna go with the bigger one, which is really nice.
Okay.
Ito yung, ayan yung lipstick. Meron tayo yan.
Lipstick?
Ano
Ah,
yun?
ito, ito.
Ano
Oo.
Ano ba tawag doon sa laman?
We have these decorative umbrellas that are hanging. You see that there's more there.
Oh my goodness.
I'm sure. Sisid.
Wag.
Hindi. Hindi nag-aquaman.
Video ba?
Video to.
With tayo.
Unong ka ng konti. Unong ka ng
With
konti.
tayo.
Unong ka ng konti dito. Masaya.
Hindi ko na kayang bumaba. Hoy. Hindi ko na kayang bumaba. Okay, one more.
One more. Ayan o. Focus. Okay.
Tingnan ko nga. Mga photos natin.
Dahil natatakot.
At saka maganda ang yung condition na dito, talagang ang lang.
9:36?
Ano sabi niya?
Mga 36, mga 36. 45. Ako pang ano? 45.
Spring water.
Ganda naman isda.
Sis, ang ganda dito.
Guys, it's so pretty here. I want to go country living. I can't. I want to go country living. Look at these. They have herbs. I think that's echinacea. And all of these. I don't know what these are, but basically they're just harvesting their food here. They have chicken. They have plants. They got water flowing. They have this river. And this is coming straight down from the mountain. I mean, it's so nice. That's all I say. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So luscious, so green. Good morning. Just showing you guys the view. In the morning, it's like almost 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's 27 degrees Celsius, and this is currently the city view. All right, it's gonna be hot today.
Basa pa na, hindi pa basa.
Honey.
Yung mga maliliit dyan.
Picture ano? Video. Video na. Hoy.
Whoa.
Ah, wag daw. Dito. Dito daw.
Huh?
Ha?
Ano?
Picture mo ako.